Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I am going to be doing my Live Glam Kiss Me subscription unbagging with you guys today. This is for the month of June 2020. If you want to know what it's all about, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified for any future video. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so as usual, I have not got into my package at all. It's nicely sealed. I was literally stalking this tracking number the whole way through, you guys. I am one of those girls, like I will literally stalk my packages. So I barely just got it in the mail just like about an hour ago, and I'm so excited that it's finally here. So this monthly subscription retails for $19.99. This one is a lip one. They do have different varieties for your different needs. They have one for eyeshadow palettes, for makeup brushes, and this one that is the Kiss Me one. So I am going to go ahead and unbag this one, and it's for the month of June 2020. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so this is my second month receiving this package. I'm fairly new to the subscription. So let's go ahead and open it up. Ay Dios, it's like really sealed in here. Okay, let's break into it. And so far the first month, I was super impressed. I was not let down. Yay! So I'm so excited to get into this. The packaging is so freaking cute. But let's see what they sent out this month. Okay, so here is the little postcard and the theme of the month. It looks like it's like these really cute little butterflies. Oh, okay. I like her. I actually do follow this girl on Instagram. I think her name is Cindy. So freaking cute. All right, but let's get into the lippies. All right, so it does come in this like really cute, nice silky bag. Last month's bag I think was pink, so I guess they change out the bags every month. And it has this really cute silky bag, and it says Live Glam Kiss Me. And let's break into it. I'm so excited to see what they sent out. Okay, let's just take it all out. How freaking cute is this packaging? I cannot. Oh yes, a lipstick, like a bullet lipstick. Okay guys, so this is what we got this month, and let's go ahead and start off with the first one. So we are actually gonna start off with this one right here, and this looks like it's like a really nice nude color. It looks like it's a matte liquid lipstick. Oh wow, I hope it's not too light for my lips. I don't want to look dead, but it's a really nice nude color. I absolutely love the whole applicator that it comes with. I noticed that last month too, so I guess they all come like that. The applicator is really, really nice, so you can like outline your lip really nicely. But let's go ahead and read into this liquid lipstick. Let's see what it says. So this one is in the name So Fly, and it says you can wing any look with this essential matte nude. Okay, so it is a nude color. Okay, so with this essential matte nude, it pairs perfectly with a soft and dreamy beat. Okay, so we are gonna put this to test. Let's throw this on our lips and see what it is about. I really hope that it complements my complexion, because it is a really nice light nude. So let's see what it's all about. So I just took off my lip gloss that I had on my lips. We are going to be trying this out, and if I find the image of the liquid lipstick, I'll throw it on somewhere on this side for you guys to look at, so you guys can get a better image of it. I'm kind of scared. Let's see. I'm not sure about this color, but let's see what it's about. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla, cake batter, cupcake. I think I'm craving some dessert. I love the applicator. I really, really love the applicator because you can really outline your upper lip with this. Okay guys, so I actually pulled out my little fan to dry out my lips so we could see what the true color of it is. And for the most part, I think my lips are fully dried already. This little fan comes through. Plus, it's really hot here because I have a lot of lights. Anyhow, so this is what the color is looking like once it is all dry. what do you guys think? I think it's really nice. My personal opinion, I think it's really nice. It actually complements my skin complexion. I think it goes with it because it's a little bit darker than my skin complexion. However, I don't know if it would complement somebody that was a little bit deeper than what I am. I think it would kind of look like washed out, or it would be too pale. But for me, I think it complements me. I think it looks really, really good. I like this whole vibe going on, you know. It just depends like on the mood that you're in. That's how I feel. I really like it. I actually really like it, and it feels good. It's nice and comfortable. And the liveglam lipsticks, matte liquid lipsticks, I should say, they're very durable. Like, I've worn them and they have lasted all day. Just one application in the morning and it had lasted me all day long. I did retouch here and there when I was done eating, but for the most part, they're very, very durable. And I'm excited to add this to my collection because I don't have something similar to this. This is like kind of in between a pale nude and just like a regular nude, so I actually really like it. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay guys, so we are now gonna go ahead and move on to the next lippy that we got. Is this one right here. It also looks like it's a matte liquid lipstick. It looks like it's like a really pretty like burgundy mauve shade. I'm not sure. But that's what it looks like. It has the really cute packaging on the top, again with the whole theme of butterflies. And let's swatch it. Really, really snappy. I love this applicator, I just do. Okay, so we are gonna swatch it right next to the first one. Oh, actually, yeah, it's really, really nice. Okay guys, so let's read about this one just a little bit. So the name of this liquid lipstick is called Mariposa, which means butterfly in Spanish. And it says, want to take your look to the next level? This alluring cranberry shade will transform your pout this season. Oh, so it's like a cranberry shade. Okay, yes. Cranberry burgundy. It's almost about to be dry. I actually think I like this one already just because it's color. Like, I love bright colors. So we're actually gonna try it on and see how it looks. The smell is amazing again. I love. Okay guys, so here is shade number 2, which is a butterfly. I knew it. I knew that this one was a little bit better than the first. This is honestly my favorite so far. I really like this color. I think it complements me. Again, skin tone, complexion, and all that. I think it complements me. Very nice burgundy shade. It's a little bit bold, but I like bold, so it's totally fine with me. I actually really, really like it a lot. So yes, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next shade. And for the next shade, it is called, it looks like this. So this is what it looks like, and this is not a liquid lipstick. This looks like it's an actual bullet lipstick, which is so cute. Look at the little detail. It has like a little gem, super glam right on the very top, the lid, and then it has the logo, the liveglam logo, and it's a really nice matte soft lipstick, super cute. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and open it. It's so cute. It has a little heart right in the very front. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it does have a really cute heart. Wow, I like. So freaking cute. This one looks like it's like a rose mauve shade. Very pretty. Yes, I like. I want to try this on already. It doesn't smell much like anything. It does have like a very light scent of like vanilla, or like the same scent as the other liquid lipsticks. Smells good. But yes, the shade's very, very pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and read about this lipstick really, really quick. So the name of it is called a Flutter. Get ready to blossom. Wearing this dainty pink, you'll want to fly away with your new soft, creamy, and long-lasting bullet lipstick. I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna try these on. Let me take this off. We're gonna try the last one on, and then we'll wrap up the whole month of June all together. I actually didn't read this, but we'll go over this side in a minute. Let's try on that lipstick. Okay guys, so it is nice and creamy and buttery. I really like it. it feels so hydrating because the other ones were matte. So I could definitely tell the difference once applying this on. It's really nice and hydrating, creamy, smooth. Okay, let me finish up the lip. I know I look cray. Guys, so this is what the lipstick is looking like. I actually kind of like it. I think it's pretty cute. It complements my complexion. Super cute, very nice. It is more of like a pinky shade actually. It's pretty neutral. I think it looks really good with this makeup look that I have going on. I really like it, but I must say that my absolute favorite for this month, it has to be this one. This one's very, very pretty, and this one is in the name Mariposa, was my favorite one. And from there, I would have to say that the lipstick is my second favorite. And this one's my third favorite just because it's so pale and nude. I could still pull it off, but the Mariposa liquid lipstick is absolutely my favorite for this month. So anyhow, so on the side it does say, these lippies will make your heart flutter. Summer is almost here, and you do not want to flutter by without these delightful shades. Our June Kiss Me collection features 2 matte lippies and our brand new bullet lipstick to make you feel like a social butterfly. Oh, so I guess the lipstick is completely brand new, and it's really nice. It's nice and creamy, and it just feels really good on the lips. All right, good to know. Ready to spread your wings, show us your whimsical looks, and tag us on Instagram for a chance to get reposted. So overall, I really like this month, but the top favorite is absolutely this one. All right, guys, I think that's all I have for today. I will be leaving a link down below. It's just a referral link. If you subscribe with my link, I get a free lippy, and you get a free lippy as well. Oh, I didn't swatch it. Let me swatch it. Really, really snappy. But yeah, go check them out. I think it's a really good way of trying out different shades and growing your lipstick collection as well. I think it's totally worth it. You get 3 items for $20. Totally worth it. So these are the 3 shades. This is my favorite. This is my second favorite. This is my third favorite. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you like this video, please make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.